And today's adventure brings us to the Animal Kingdom. Hey Tim, what are these birds?
They're flamingos, but their bills have been smashed.
I think those are called spoonbills. Look at him, he's chilling. We're going to adventure this way. Look at the ducks over there. They're chilling. Hello. Aww. Hello. Oh, he's so tiny. Oh, you see the duck up there?
Yeah.
Oh, adventurous. Oh, this waterfall. Look at this iguana, you guys.
How I feel after yesterday.
Oh, we were going in the cave. Look, you can look through here and see the water. Hey, baby. You look cute in a cave.
Oh, thanks.
Are you a caveman? Oh, no, babe, no.
What?
I don't want to go over the bridge.
Oh no, it's a rickety bridge! Oh no!
Snacking on something. Hello.
What's up, buddy?
Hey. Babe, how majestic.
Looks like that tree could give life.
It's a boomafoo. Oh, he's just chilling up there. And duck. Or bird.
What do you think? It jumped in the water? Okay.
No, I think they're gonna jump in the water.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Beep. Oh no, they didn't jump. They just kind of bleep.
Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park? Can't say that here. Oh, that's so cool. The Dino Bash. I love dinosaurs. You love dinosaurs?
Yeah, they're pretty neat.
Oh, that's cool.
Probably like a 10-foot alligator.
Oh, I think it's a crocodile.
Oh,
Yeah, it's an American crocodile.
My bad.
Yeah, all that stuff on the building. That's kind of cool. And this little trailer. There we go. Looks like a ride we can ride on. Oh, no, I remember this movie as a kid. With this dinosaur guy in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, get your hand out of the way. It's cool. Come on. We need this in our house.
We need this in our house.
That ride was a ton of fun. It was my first time riding it. As far as I can remember. I probably rode it as a kid, but it was... I was not expecting it to be so scary.
Or dark.
We rode it twice, and it was super dark. And it went like blue, 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 blue. Scary to you?
It wasn't scary.
I was on the end the first time, and it's so scary on the end. So don't sit on the end if you get easily spooked or creeped or whatever. So, woo. We got Mount Everest in front of us.
I wonder if we can find the Yeti.
The Yeti. Get in my Yeti. No. It's like a cooler, I guess, right? That sounds creepy.
That does sound creepy.
That sounds like something a crazy psycho murderer would say. Get in my Yeti. Right before he like kills someone. I like all this stuff here. It's really cool.
We should just all see her.
I like how it looks through here. It's very cool. All the tents and stuff. These leftover from, oh, it's the Mystery of the Lost Expedition. These masks. Deer one.
It's Josh Gates.
Oh, we know that guy.
Oh, Yeti flipper.
Oh, you know we have to show that to.
Oh, yeah, Colton.
Colton. Oh, it's empty. Oh. Oh, that's a cool view right there. Your hair looks so good. Oh.
leaving their mark. Hands up.
No. No. Your hair looks so good still. So that was our first 2 times
Yes.
on Mount Everest.
Less than 15 minutes total.
Yeah, I'd never been on that ride my whole life.
Yeah, it was awesome.
I remember growing up and like seeing the ads for the ride
Yeah,
and like always wanting to ride it. I just never did.
no, that one's awesome.
It was scary.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that guy. Oh, there he goes. He's just chilling up there. Oh, you think he's gonna go? Oh, he's like, come on, bro, come on. He's talking to that one up there. Yeah, up in there. Oh, he's joining him up there now. Oh.
Ripping off leaves.
You think he's gonna go hit the other guy?
That would be hilarious.
Or maybe he's just getting a snack. I think he's like trying to figure out how to get to the other guy. Oh, he's coming back down. He's like, no. There we go. Just swinging with a snack. That's funny. All right, guys, we're gonna get super stoked on this Kali expedition here. I'm a little nervous.
Yeah, it'd be a nice relief, and then
Do you think I'm gonna get scared on it? Everything just looks really cool throughout here. All the trees. Before. Hidden Mickey. I'll try to get it again here.
My phone's waterproof, so I don't have to worry about this.
Why do I always gotta be on the scary side?
I can't see what's coming.
You can see under the track over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, so can I. Are you ready?
You can get all the footage. I'll be bracing for impact.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we're gaining speed. We're gaining speed.
Ah, come on. Yeah, so we nothing even happened yet. Oh gosh. What's about to happen? What's happening? Oh, we're spinning. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh no. Haha. Ah. Dang it. Yeah, like what's going on? Yeah, I pretty much got super soaked on that one. Just like that. And again. Oh gosh. Well, that was fun.
After. Oh. You going over to his buddies over there? Hey, bud.
He wants what they're eating.
Which was the same thing.
Oh.
No. Oh, poor little guy. He's bringing a snack with him. That's really cool looking. Water. Babe.
What's up?
I didn't think about bringing a hairbrush. I probably should have.
Yeah, you probably should have actually.
Like that waterfall. Gorilla Falls exploration.
Hi. Thank you.
That is kind of crazy. Oh, imagine walking in on that.
Yeah, right?
Like, whoa, what's going on here? Hello, guys. I like how he's just chilling there. Oh my goodness. They're real. hidden Mickey. Look at all these fish. Crazy. Wow, what's he looking at? He's just looking up.
Oh, look at. Oh, I'm gonna beat you. Oh, I'm gonna beat you. Oh,
No.
they're wrestling. They're wrestling.
This food looks amazing.
It does look really good.
We got the flamingo,
The frozen flamingo.
frozen flamingo drinks. We're at the Harambe Market. Really good food. We got this nice little view over here by the train tracks. Look at the
Our 2-week safari. That's right, my friends. We signed up for a 2-week safari, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. So make sure you become friends with everyone around you. Here, we are going to start right here in the Little Atari Forest, home to these guys over here on the left. So there's one hiding way back up in the bushes, but I do think we're going to see some more of them just in a second. These tan animals right here, closest to us, are the greater kudu. Now, the bloat is here on the left, and a bloat is what we call a group of Nile hippos. Now, I would be bloated too if I ate about 85 pounds of food every single day. Something really cool about hippos is actually if they were moving around, you wouldn't actually say that they're swimming because they actually don't swim. Hippos run and or walk along the bottom of the river. So, pretty cool. So if we see any in the water, they're going to be walking. But swimming next to us, obviously they're following us, but also there's a few on the island. Those are the pinkback pelicans. Now, pinkback pelicans actually do get their name from during mating season. Under their wings, their feathers will actually turn a light pinkish color. Kind of like if you guys have ever had a crush on someone before and you blush when you see them and you get a little Twitter-pated. It's pretty much the same thing. Now, over here on the left, way back in that left-hand corner, I'll pause kind of right here. There's a bunch of trees, but in the water, there is mom and baby. It looks like they're nursing right now, but baby is only about 3 months old, but hippos do indeed nurse underwater, and they can do that because they can close down their nostrils and close down their ears. Here on our left is their next door neighbors, which are going to be the Nile crocodiles. Now, Nile crocodiles are quite large. They can measure out to be about 16 feet long. On the left, we have the dazzle, and a dazzle is what we call a group of zebras. And actually, the zebra that's going to be closest to us, he's the smallest one. That's because he's a baby. He's what we call a fowl, but he is brand new, almost. He's got that white underbelly and those stripes, that thick stripes on the back of his legs. That's how we know it is specifically a Hartman's mountain zebra. Food. So food that's either in a drier place, a safer place, or even a shadier place if it's too hot outside. So they are very food-oriented animals. But this is the tower, and the tower is what we call a group of Maasai giraffe. I apologize, I will scoot up so everyone can get good photos. You can see that really long black tongue that they have though in there. There's a female lion right in the middle of the ground, and they will use those burrows to stay safe from predators. Now,
We're about to ride Flight of Passage. I like those leaves. Now we're on the underside. The underside.
They did a good job. That's really good.
I asked him to stick his head in one of these, but they're lights. Just gonna get all the different angles. Oh, look at it. I like those little trees and stuff. We have to put our mask on in the cave.
Yeah.
Mushroom Ledge. The ambiance in here is so cool. Yes! It's glowing from the black lights that are in here. Look at all the test tubes. Pirates. Chemical degrading bacteria. Whoa. Oh, it's doing a venom thing. There's some notes. Hey, that's Brendan Fraser. I like those little pictures. Look at they look like little jellyfish. See us hopping? We're gonna get some drinks at the Nomad Lounge. Where are we at?
I'm still waiting on that pretzel.
Tell me what all those sauces are.
So you have your red pepper hummus,
Okay.
spicy coriander yogurt, and ginger pear chutney.
Nice. What were these breads again?
I don't remember.
They're very good though.
Yeah, those are really good.
So what did we just finish doing?
We rode Expedition Everest for the third time today. Then we got some Dole Whip floats.
With a little bit of rum.
Yeah, actually, it was, I think it was like Simba's Pride. Sorry, Lion's Lair and Simba's Sunset. So this one's Simba's Sunset. This one's Lion's Lair.
We had this awesome brownie. Everything's just like melting super quickly because it's nice and warm outside.
Yeah,
But it feels comfortable outside.
it's actually like really nice. It's not sunny or anything.
Oh, and we did the Navi, Flight Passage. That was awesome.
Yeah, that one was
we
amazing.
did that one twice.
And that one's normally like at least like an hour wait.
Yeah, I
So
love that one.
We waited 55 minutes the first time, like about 45 minutes the second time, and that one was amazing. That one's definitely like a top 3 ride for me for Disney.
And it smelled like watermelon walking into the attraction.
It was like straight up 4D.
And the queue for it is really cool. Huge queue. Most of it's indoors though, so that's nice.
Yeah.
And I just love how you feel like you're riding on the Banshee. Like it's breathing, you can feel that and everything. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's very immersive. Like the whole experience.
Yep.
Yeah, it's been awesome today.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you come back for more. Bye.
Bye.